So this is the mess I am dealing with from homeschool and lunch and paint all over the table from all of our crafts this week. We did gingerbread houses yesterday, and these that are waiting to dry, these are going to actually go up on our outside Christmas tree, but my kids globbed glitter on them and it still needs to dry. And need to put these books away, and need to clean the paint off the table and sweep the floor and all of that, and find a spot for these gingerbreads. I'm thinking of putting them up here, so I might move some of these books. But I definitely need to reset this space for the upcoming week. So let's get to it. I'm going to put on some music here in a little bit, but before I do, I just want to mention this is a collab with my friend Angel McMillan, and this is her monthly Sunday reset or weekly reset of your home. So whatever that looks like for you to get your home in order for the upcoming week, and I will link to her channel down below in the description box, along with a playlist where more content creators are coming together to share their weekly resets and Sunday resets and whatever that looks like. So I'm going to put on a little bit of music and then I will be back in a little bit. And this is a bonus video for Vlogmas Day 10.
O come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive O come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel, that mourns in lonely exile here, until the Son of God appear. Rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. O come, thou dayspring, come and cheer our spirits by thine advent here. Disperse the gloomy clouds of night, and death's dark shadow put to flight. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O O come, thou Lord of might, who to thy tribes on Sinai's high in ancient times did give the law in cloud and majesty and awe. Rejoice, thee, O Israel. Rejoice, 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 rejoice. Emmanuel shall come to thee, O shall come to thee, O
This weekend, when I was preparing to reset my home, I was reading in my devotional, and it said to invite the Holy Spirit in to situations and pray in all things and give everything to the Lord. And it was such a good reminder as I was preparing to reset my home for an upcoming week to just give all things to God. And it's so easy to get caught up in the hustle bustle and running around and doing laundry and tackling the dishes and for me, homeschooling the kids and all of the chaos that comes with raising kids, and just if you're at work and to get caught up in those things, but giving them to the Lord and allowing the Holy Spirit to come in and guide you and giving it will bring the peace into your home and just guidance from the Lord in, and it won't look perfect, but I definitely want more peace in my home, and by allowing the Holy Spirit to come in and inviting Him in through prayer, we can see more glimpses of Jesus in our everyday life. And I think that's such a beautiful thought. And I am just finishing up a few things, got some laundry going, folded some laundry off camera, and the video is going to come to an end. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And check out Angel's channel and the playlist link down below for more cleaning inspiration, and I'll see you for Vlogmas Day 11.